Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Cook That. Today I'm going to start a little different. I do have a friend, she's a close friend, and she is a part of the Let's Cook That family, that she's actually in the hospital waiting on her results for coronavirus, but she is, admitted at the hospital all alone because they don't let no family members there. I'm going to keep her name anonymous because I'm not sure if she allows me to say her name. But I want you guys to please keep her in prayers, and not only her, everybody that's in the hospital, the nurses, the doctors, police officers, everybody that's out there helping this country get back together. If you don't have to go to the store, don't go to the store, because actually things are getting really crazy. I would hear about all this going on, but I wouldn't hear anything like close to us. And well, she's somebody close to us, and plus like Marissa's co-workers as well, they have family members that they were really sick. So please let's keep everyone in prayers, you guys, and I hope you guys all stay safe and be precautious, you guys. We have to. There's nothing about we're being ridiculous. We need to take care of our families, okay? So in another hand, we are going to make some spicy shrimp tacos today, and we're gonna have it with some avocado creamy sauce. So let's get started in those ingredients. And remember, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your little bell so you can get notified every time we upload a new video. And please help this channel grow and share with your friends so we could reach those 4K subscribers to give that giveaway. So let's get started. Alrighty, so the ingredients are shrimp. I already have them cleaned and deveined, and I also washed them. We have some avocado oil, some lime, garlic, cumin, red pepper flakes. We have paprika. If you have smoked paprika, it's better, but I did not have smoked paprika, so we're going to use regular paprika. And we have some chili powder. And we have some avocado, lime, another garlic clove, serrano pepper, which I already deveined, took out the seeds, cilantro, a little bit of olive oil, and then I have cabbage. I have the two colors. We have purple and the green, and sour cream. You can also substitute for Greek yogurt. This is going to be delicious on your tacos. So first, we're going to go ahead and marinate our shrimp. So let's add all our chili powder and paprika and our flakes. And let's add the cumin. And then we're going to go ahead and mince our garlic. You can also use garlic powder. It's up to you. Alrighty. Now let's add our lime juice. It's about 2 tablespoons, but I'm just going to squeeze half of it. And then our avocado oil. You can also substitute it for olive oil if you wish. Now let's go ahead and mix this. Now you can either set it aside if you're going to cook it immediately, which will taste great, or you can leave it marinating in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes or longer. So let's go ahead and put this in the refrigerator. Well, I'm going to cover it, and then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator while I cut my veggies. Go ahead and shred our cabbage. Now we're going to cut our purple one. Okay, let's go ahead and mix it together. Now we're going to do our sauce. This is the only avocado I had. As you can see, it's not perfect, but we could work with it. I'll just remove that part. Put our avocado. Let's add our serrano or jalapeño, whatever you have. Let's cut that part. Cilantro, garlic, lime, the olive oil, and then let's go ahead and add our sour cream. I'm going to take this to blend. But as I see if it needs water, I'm just gonna be adding a little bit of water until you see a good consistency on your avocado sauce. So I added a total of 5 tablespoons of water. Now I can't open this. Okay, there it goes. 5 tablespoons of water to get this consistency, but that's up to you how thick you like it. Go ahead and add salt to taste, or you don't have to add salt if you don't want to. I'm gonna add a little bit. Try it. Perfect. So now let's go ahead and add a little bit to our cabbage, kind of like a, like a coleslaw. Let's mix it. This coleslaw is so good. Well, I mean, I'll call it coleslaw, but it's just cabbage mixed with our avocado sauce. I added a little bit of salt here. So now it's time to start cooking our shrimp. So I have a skillet preheating. We're gonna start cooking our shrimp, like 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Remember, you do not have to add no more oil because it already has avocado oil. Whatever extra oil you have in your bowl, go ahead and pour it on top of your shrimp. So I'm gonna start flipping the first ones we put. Okay, so the shrimps are all done. Remember, shrimps don't take longer than 5 minutes because then they'll get tough and you don't want that. So this is ready. Now let's go ahead and warm up our tortillas. So we have one of our tortillas here, and let's go ahead and get some of our cabbage. Oh, put it at the bottom. And let's put shrimp. I think 3 looks good. Now let's drizzle some more of our delicious avocado sauce. And that's it. Look how delicious your taco looks. And that's it, you guys. That's your delicious taco. If you don't want to have it in a taco, Marissa, create hers into a bowl. And the picture's right here so you can see how that delicious bowl looked. And this is delicious, you guys. And it's very good. I just know it's really good. Let's go ahead and give this a try. Very delicious. I did not add no salt on the shrimp because with the sauce and the lemon and everything, I think it's perfect, but that is totally optional. But this is very good, you guys. I hope you guys give it a try. Leave your comments down below. Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your family and friends to get to the 4K giveaway. You guys stay safe and yeah, just share, you guys. And we'll see you next time on Let's Cook That. And stay safe out there, okay, you guys? Bye.